Hello, my sewing friends. I have fabric to show you. I don't often buy fabric anymore because I have so much, in here. And I like books. I like to travel. Yeah, we have to draw a line somewhere. So I try and work with what I have as much as I can, but sometimes you just can't resist. And I couldn't resist yesterday. And I was astounded at what I found. I couldn't believe it. I was at Walmart doing some other shopping, and I always just walk through the fabric department, even though there's not much there that I want anymore. There's outdoor fabric, there's quilting, cotton, and then there's fleece. And I think my Walmart especially has really catered to that population. They've kind of gone the route of Hobby Lobby, even though Hobby Lobby often will have a little bit of fashion fabric, and they do have, knits and other, staple kinds of fabrics. But my Walmart has kind of gone that direction. So you can find interfacing, you can find all those things I mentioned, and you can find maybe some denim or muslin, but you really can't find much else. So I was walking through, and they have these bins. They're like shelves, but are like baskets, and they're about, 3 or 4 high, and they have remnants in them. I think what they've done is gotten remnants from other companies and then packaged them so that they sell them 2 yards for $4, 2 yards for $2, and 4 yards for $4. So I always kind of, root through and see what's there. I don't often find things because they're just kind of junk fabric that nobody else wants, which explains a lot. But I was kind of just looking through, just seeing what was there, and I ran across some rayon Shelli and also this amazing fabric that I'll leave for the end. Well, let me show you. Let me show you what I got. I found a crinkle poly crepe de chine. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to cut into this and make something with it. It's just a poly crepe de chine. Like I say, it's got a crinkle to it. I don't know if you can really, if this is going to pick that up, but yeah, there you can kind of see it. Beautiful crinkle. Oh, it's just, and it's 2 yards. It was $4. I couldn't believe it. I thought, whoa, wow, give me that now. Jump in my cart, please. So this is just gorgeous, just gorgeous. And then I found a couple of rayon Shellis, like I said. The first was this one. This is kind of a muted aqua, and it's got like a white, it looks kind of like an animal kind of scratched it. Beautiful, just gorgeous rayon Shelli. I think it's just rayon. I don't think it has any polyester in it, but oh, this feels like a dream. Look at the drape. Look at the drape of this fabric. Oh my gosh. Now this is a horizontal stripe if you cut it on the selvage. So, there's the selvage, so you would lay your pattern pieces out this way and they would come out looking like this, which is fine. But you could also turn it onto the crosswise grain, pull the selvages apart, and then do it this way. And you could lay it on the crosswise grain if you wanted, up and down kind of vertical stripes. So that's a possibility, but oh, this just feels so nice. And I love the color. I just think the possibilities are endless with this. So there was that one. I found something I desperately love. I do love me a polka dot. And I also love navy and white. And this is another rayon Shelli, 2 yards. I'm pretty sure this was 2 yards for $2. And oh my gosh, it's such a basic fabric. Not the actual fabric, but it's a basic print. But I love polka dots. I don't know what it is. And navy and white is so crisp, But this is just gorgeous, just gorgeous. It's crisp, it's beautiful, it's got a gorgeous hand to it. It's 100% rayon, I'm pretty sure. And wow, just wow, for $2. Wow. And my last treasure is something I found. Okay, now I'm kind of obsessed with coral this year. It's Pantone's Color of the Year for 2019. And when I say obsessed, you know, a lot of people say obsessed these days, and they mean, oh, I really, really like it. Okay, when I say obsessed, I mean obsessed in the truest sense of the word. I don't know why, but I just am in love with this color. I got this to go on my trip, didn't end up taking it. It was to go with this, which actually matches perfectly. And I didn't end up wearing this. This is one of my makes for August. I'm gonna throw it in because it needs a little bit of work. And then I have a refashion that I'm kind of playing with, and it's a coral. It's more of a pinky coral. So there's that. And I've got another coral dress in my closet that's a Goodwill find, but you know, I'm not kidding when I say obsessed. Okay, and then I found this. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. 4 yards for $4. It's a jersey polyester knit, and oh my gosh, look. Ah, so pretty, so gorgeous. I'm almost overwhelmed by this because it's so pretty. It's just so pretty, and it's a very nice coral. You can tell it's a little, actually it's pretty close to my my top, my little jacket here, but it's a little more muted. It does have kind of the orangey tones, a lot more yellow in it than blue, although there's a little bit of blue in it because it's a bit muted. But oh my gosh, 4 yards, 4 yards of this. I can't even speak about what I want to do with it because I'm just so thrilled to have it. What a find. Wow. So yeah, that was the last one. Oh my gosh, so many treasures. So I can't believe that I found those. Wow, you know, it always pays to look. It always does. So let me know if your Walmart has gone the way of mine, because I think that there are very few Walmarts now that have fashion fabrics on the bolts. Fortunately, my Joann's are not far away. They're about 20 minutes either direction, and then my Hobby Lobby is just down the street. So I am very fortunate in that way. Where I lived a year ago, everything was an hour away, so I'm really happy about that. But you know, so fashion fabric is not far from me, but when I can walk into Walmart and find that coral knit, oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. Let me know if your Walmart has done that, and yeah, now I've got to figure out patterns for all of it. So that's it for now for me, and I will see you soon next time. Thanks for watching.